Found in a Greek shipwreck, one ancient device defies everything we thought about classical technology. It's known as the Antikythera Mechanism, an incredibly complex assembly of bronze gears and dials, discovered over a century ago alongside statues and pottery. It was initially mistaken for a corroded rock. Divers uncovered this relic in 1901, off the coast of Antikythera, submerged for nearly 2,000 years. This hand-powered device could predict astronomical positions and eclipses with remarkable accuracy. Its intricate gear train, with over 30 meshing cogs, predates any known similar technology by a millennium. Modern engineers find its precision astounding, suggesting a level of craftsmanship thought impossible for its era. Researchers have used X-rays and computer models to piece together its functions, revealing astonishing complexity. It challenges our understanding of ancient Greek science, proving they possessed knowledge far beyond simple tools. This 2,000-year-old computer remains a testament to forgotten genius and a profound historical enigma.